Tato. Hello everyone. No mai, haere mai. Welcome to daily demos for today. Today I have a very special helper with me. She is called Ruru. Ruru, say hi. She is a really special friend because she's been in lots of different classes with me. So she's going to be helping us whenever we're doing Te Reo Māori. Okay, before we get started on our Te Reo Māori lesson, let's do our karakia. Mahunga ki raro.
Kia inoi tātou. Manawa mai te Māori nuku, manawa mai te Māori rangi. Ko te Māori KO he Māori tipua, ka pākaru mai te pō, tau mai te Māori, haumi e, hui e, tāiki e.
Ka pai. Okay, I think we're ready to go. And today we're learning about food. I love anything to do with food. I love to eat. It's one of my favorite things to do in the whole world. So I'm really excited about this lesson. Ruru's the same, although Ruru only eats at night because she's actually nocturnal, which means that she only comes out at night time to do her hunting, and she actually sleeps during the day. So she's got up specially to do this lesson with us. Thanks, Ruru. Okay. We're going to learn a really special sentence for our words today, and it's he tēnei. Okay, kōrero mai, repeat after me. He tēnei. Ka pai. Because there is a macron, which is that little line over the E, it means that you make the E a little bit more strong. Tēnei, rather than tēnei. Tēnei. Okay. So this means this is a, or this is an, or this is.
If you'd like to see all of the words for this lesson nice and big on your screen, take a screenshot of the screen here.
I'll show you what I mean. For example, what's the first food that we have on here? Tihi. Kōrero mai tihi. Tihi means cheese. Ka pai. So get our cheese. If I wanted to say this is cheese, I would say he tihi tēnei. Kōrero mai. Repeat after me. He tihi tēnei. Let's slow it down. He tihi tēnei. Ka pai. Ruru's really impressed with your pronunciation. Well done. So, Ruru, can you have a go saying that for me? Ah, she did pretty well. He tihi tēnei. This is cheese. Ka pai. What's our next food going to be that we're going to introduce? I can already see it and I'm so excited. What's the next food? Oh, yes, Ruru loves chocolate. The next one is chocolate. Now the word for chocolate is tia karete. Tia karete. Let's slow it down. Tia ka rete. Kōrero mai, repeat after me. Tia ka rete. Ka pai. Great work. Okay, if I want to say this is chocolate, how am I going to say that? Who remembers the sentence that I used to say it? You remember? How does it go? Ka pai, it goes he tēnei. And we put the word in the middle. So let's try that. We're going to put tia karete in the middle. He tia karete tēnei. Can you try now? Ka pai. All right, let's get our chocolate so I can tell you this is chocolate. This is my favorite ever chocolate. It's so yummy. I love anything by Whittaker's. Oh, Ruru wants to hold it. Okay, you can hold it, Ruru. Okay, let's say it together. He tia karete tēnei. Really slow. Ready? He tia karete Tēnei. Ka pai tō mahi. Good work. You're doing really well. That means this is chocolate. Can't wait to eat that later. Ka pai, what's our next food going to be? Can you see? It's an apple. That's right. It's an apple. I love apple. Do you like to eat apple? Apple's delicious. And apple is really easy in Te Reo Māori because apple in Māori sounds a lot like apple in English. Check it out. Aporo. Kōrero mai, repeat after me. Aporo. Ka pai, you're doing really well with your Māori. Let's get our aporo. So how would I say this is an apple? This is an apple. Do you have any ideas? You are amazing. He aporo tēnei. Ka pai. Let's break it down into little bits. He aporo tēnei. Ka pai. Now let's put it all together. He aporo tēnei. Ka pai. You are so good with your pronunciation of Te Reo Māori. Oh, Ruru is really impressed. Let's put our apple away. All right, what's our next food going to be? Can you see? I can see it up there. It's a banana. Oh, Ruru's really excited about this because she loves to have banana in her smoothies. She also likes to cut it up and put it in her muesli. How do you like to eat banana? Ka pai. Ka rawe, awesome. Now, Miss McBride doesn't have banana at the moment, but I do have some old bananas that I've put in the freezer in case I want to make a banana cake. Should I go and get those old rotten bananas? Ruru thinks so. I'll just go get them now. Check it out! They're all brown and frozen, but actually inside they're beautifully yellow and ready to make banana cake. I just wouldn't want to eat them frozen by themselves. Okay, so the word for banana is also really similar to the word banana in English. Do you want to try it with me? Panana. Panana. You are amazing at this. So how would I say,
This is a banana.
yes? Oh, Ruru thinks that you have an idea. You're right. He panana tēnei. Ka pai. Let's do that slowly. He panana tēnei. And now all together, he panana tēnei. Ruru's so excited, you're doing so well. Okay, let's put these frozen bananas away. What's the next thing that we have? Can you tell? What's that? Strawberries. I love strawberries, they're delicious. But I don't have any strawberries in my house apart from some frozen strawberries that I use to make my smoothie. Shall I go get the frozen strawberries? Okay, I'll go get that now. Okay, out of my bag of frozen berries, I have got some frozen strawberries. So how do we say strawberries in Te Reo Māori? The word for strawberries is rōpere. Rōpere. Ka pai, great pronunciation. So if I wanted to say, these are strawberries, how would I say it? You have been listening so well. Kei te pai, we keneru, wow. All right, so I would say he ropere tēnei. Let's do that nice and slow. He ropere tēnei. And all together, he ropere tēnei. You are amazing. All right, let's put our strawberries away. What do we have next? We have an orange. Okay, we're gonna speed things up a little bit because I think that you know the he tēnei really well. Ka pai? Awesome. Okay, the word for orange is arani. Arani. Ka pai. So how would we say this is an orange? He arani tēnei. He arani tēnei. Your turn. Ka pai. Now, Ruru really loves kiwi fruit because one of Ruru's best friends is the kiwi bird. And so kiwi fruit reminds Ruru of her friend kiwi. So the word for kiwi in Māori is huakiwi. Huakiwi. Ka pai tō mahi, good work. Okay, so if we were going to say this is a kiwi fruit, we would say he huakiwi tēnei. Your turn. He huakiwi tēnei. Tūmeke, awesome. Okay, what's our next thing that we're going to look at? Our next food. Oh, I love this one. I like to eat this with peanut butter. Have you ever tried that? Get a spoon, put it in your peanut butter, put the peanut butter on the end. Oh, it's delicious. Okay, don't eat the carrot, okay, Ruru? Just look after it. The word for carrot is karoti. Karoti. Now let's say this is a carrot in Māori. He karoti tēnei. Your turn. He karoti tēnei. You are amazing. Okay, it's time for a quick quiz. And this quiz is going to be Ruru versus B versus you at home. So all we're going to be doing is I'm going to be bringing out a food and I'll say, what is this? And then you're trying to be the first person to get the answer. The answer will be a he tēnei sentence. So if I said, what is this? You would say, he aporo tēnei. He and the food, tēnei. Now you're trying to get the answer quicker than these two. So if Ruru got the answer and I said, what is this? She'd go like this. And she brings her buzzer to say that she has the answer. And I'll ask her what the answer is, and if she gets it right, then she gets a point against B. But if B has the answer, B will do this. And B rings his buzzer, and I'll ask if B has the answer. And hopefully he'll have it right. Now you try and beat them, okay? Here we go. All right. Okay. What is this? Ruru, you think you have the answer? Wow, she did it. Did you get the answer? What is it? That's right. It's he huakiwi tēnei. He huakiwi tēnei. It's a huakiwi. Okay, come on, B. Ruru's up 1 point. It's 1-0. Okay, what is this? B, what do you think the answer is, B?
He tomato tēnei.
Is B right? What did you get at home? Ka pai. It's he tomato tēnei. He tomato tēnei. Ka pai. All right, let's do a few more. What shall I do? Oh, I know. Here we go. What is this? You have the answer, Ruru. What do you think it is? She did really well. It's he karoti tēnei. He karoti tēnei. Karoti is carrot. All right, I think we had a tie here. So we've got a tie between Ruru and B, but did you win against B? Did you win against Ruru? Ka pai. All right. Thank you very much, contestants. Take a bow. All right, let's get back to the lesson. I don't think you'll be able to hold this one. It's a bit heavy. Oh, we have a pumpkin. Was that a bit big? So our pumpkin is pokena. Pokena. Ka pai. And now, I don't have a potato, so I do have a kumara. So the word for potato is riwai. Riwai. Ka pai. I don't have a potato though, so I do have a kumara. So I'm going to say kumara. Okay, kumara is the Māori word for kumara. We use the Māori word when we speak in English. Now, if I want to say this is a tomato, I would say he tomato tēnei. He tomato tēnei. Okay, we've only got a few more left. This one is riki, onion. Our next food is eggs. Now, we know this egg. Ooh, it's actually a bouncy ball, but I'm going to use this to be my egg. Hopefully your eggs in your egg tray don't look like this. I know, that would be terrible. Okay, so this is an egg. This is a heki. Ka pai, it's a heki. Ka pai, our next one. Oh, our next one is ice cream. I'm going to go and get my ice cream from the freezer. Oh, very excited about this one. Oh, here's my ice cream. Delicious. It's got little chocolate brownie pieces in it. Okay, you hold that and try not to eat it. Ruru, you've got ice cream all over your beak. Please behave, Ruru. Okay. If we want to say ice cream, it sounds a lot like the word ice cream in English, but it's a lot harder, so we're going to break it down. I, he, ki, rimi. If I say it fast, it sounds like ice cream. I hikirimi. I hikirimi. Can you hear how it sounds like ice cream? I hikirimi. Let's break it down. I, he, ki, ri, mi. Ka pai, great pronunciation. I, hiki, rimi. I hiki rimi. Ka pai. Now, two of these things I actually don't have, so I've had to draw them. One of them is beans. The word for beans is pini. Pini. I'll just put them right here. Pini. Ka pai. All right. We now have lettuce. And the word for lettuce in Te Reo Māori sounds a lot like lettuce in English. The word for lettuce in Māori is retihi. 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 Ka pai. Parawa. What do you think parawa is? Parawa. Parawa is bread. I love my bread. So Ruru, you can sit up there. Let's just practice the word bread. Parawa. Ka pai. If we were going to do a capsicum, I don't have a capsicum, so I've drawn one. The word for capsicum is kikini. Kikini. Ka pai. So if we were going to say this is a capsicum, we would say he kikini tēnei. He kikini tēnei. Ka pai tō mahi. Oh. Do you hear that? Did you hear that little sound just before? It sounded like a magical sound. Do you think we're getting a visit from someone? You think Fairy Fire might be coming. Okay, oh, here she comes.
Tamariki mā, ko Fire Angel tēnei.
Ko te rangihaukau tēnei.
And today we are going to sing a waiata about kai. Kai means
Food.
Kai means food. And if you've been watching this video, Miss McBride would have introduced a whole new lot of words to do with kai, or food. But before we get started with our waiata, we are going to learn a few more words that we're going to be singing about, as well as the words Miss McBride's taught you. So the first word is huarako. Huarako means fruit. Fruit. Ka pai. Huarako means fruit. So hua means to grow, and rako is tree. So anything that grows on a tree is huarako. The next word is hua whenua. Hua whenua means
Vegetables.
vegetables. Once again, hua means to grow, whenua is the land. So any food that grows under the land is hua whenua. Ka pai. Kai huka. Kai we know means food, and huka is
Sugar.
sugar. So all those bad things we like to eat, like candy, lollies, Kinder Surprises, all of that, the yummy things that's probably not too good for us, that's all considered kai huka. Alright, and our last word is inu wai. Inu means to
Drink.
and wai is
Water.
water. Ka pai. So those are just some of the words that we are going to be singing in our waiata, as well as some of the words Miss McBride's been talking about. Alright, so this song, it may seem familiar to you because it is a tune that you should know, but it's a fun song. So we're going to sing it today. Hopefully you can join along with us. Yummy, yummy. Hua whenua, yummy, yummy. Kai huka, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Kai reka. Let's learn some new kupu today. It's fun to do in a simple way. You're gonna learn and maybe get hungry. We're gonna learn some kupu today. Banana peels away.
The third one.
We love to eat ropere. Arani pokenari waiye.
The first one.
Tomato, tomato.
The next one.
Parayo parawa.
The next one.
Slice up your tea. Oh man, we're getting really, really hungry. The next one. Tia carete. The next one, we love to drink some inu wine. That means water to wash it all down. Huarako, yummy, yummy. Hua whenua, yummy, yummy. Kai huka, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Kai reka. Ka pai tamariki mā, there you have it. That's our waiata about kai. Hopefully you can use some of those kupu when next time you're in the kitchen. From Fire Angel and
Te rangihaukau.
we wish you well in your bubble. Kia haumaru te noho.
Ka kite.
Tū Miki, awesome, thank you Fire. I'm going to challenge you to do something really exciting for next week. I have posted, just after this, a little video that shows me catching a fruit or a vegetable or a food and using the sentence he tēnei. I catch it from one side and I throw it out the other side. Now, I would like you to film yourself doing the same thing. Just picking one food and someone can throw it to you from this side and you can say, he something tēnei, this is, and then the name of the food. And then you can throw it out the other side of the camera because we're going to edit it all together so that teachers and students are throwing food between them. But it can be any food item. We're not just going to pick one. So, For example, take a look at this tiny little clip. Okay, so you need to get it from your right, like this. And once you catch it, you can say your he tēnei sentence. He pōkena tēnei. This is a pumpkin. And then throw it to your left, out of the frame. Like this. He pōkena tēnei. Ka pai. So I challenge you to make your own quick clip, less than 5 seconds, using a food of your choice and to send it in to me. My email address is just up the top of the page and I will piece it together and put you in a video. Okay, now don't worry parents, this video will be private. Only the people who have the link to the video will be able to see it. Okay, I think it's time for our karakia. Mahunga ki raro.
Kia inoi tātou, ka pā ki toa, ka pā ki waho, ka pā ki te whare, ka pā ki te roa, ka pā ki te pau e tūnei, kia mā te araki, kia mā te tauira, nō hau e rua tau, e tāne te wairoa e, whāno whana haramai te toki, haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Okay, we're going to finish off our lesson. So ka kite apopo. See you tomorrow.